I'm 21 years old and I've recently bought this apartment, which is a brand new apartment in the mountains. But if you wonder that I've started with rich family or with rich parents, that is not true. Just a couple of years ago, I was making $4 a month online. Yes, not 40, not 400, not 4,000, $4 online. And by learning how I can make simple YouTube videos and post them without even showing myself in the beginning, and now I'm doing both, I basically completely changed my life. I was able to buy this apartment, travel to Dubai, to United States of America, to help my parents financially and make hundreds of thousands of dollars online. And it all happened because of the exact strategy that I'm going to reveal to you for free in this video. So don't worry, I'm not going to sell you anything in this video. I will just show you my honest and transparent strategy on how exactly I've done this, so hopefully it can be valuable for you as well. So now let's jump into my computer and let me show you how you can post simple YouTube videos and how it can completely change your life as well. So without wasting any time, let's just get straight into it and I will show you how posting simple YouTube videos made me a new house at 21 years old, right? So here's the proof of the first channel that I've had that made me over $128,000. This is this channel right here that ended up getting 1 million subscribers. And another channel of mine is called Mr. Football that generated over $33,000. So let me quickly reload the page and I will explain how you can do it too. And yeah, $33,000, and I've also recently sold this channel for tens of thousands of dollars. So yeah, this all happened in a couple of years. So I wanted to share all of the proofs so you can see that it's working. And just a quick disclaimer, in our free community that you can find in the description, I also, if you go to Classroom, right, and this is completely free, 1,000 people already joined, we have a complete case study where I documented starting this channel from scratch and showing you that it's not luck and you can do it. And I basically documented the process on camera. So that's how I've made the money, right? So just that was the proofs. And now let me quickly explain to you how this all works. So basically, you just do research. That's the step number one. And see what other channels are there that are posting simple YouTube videos. It can be videos about football like this that I've showed you, right? Videos like 7 times Messi showed the world or whatever, right? This one simple video made me $400 already, right? There are videos that made me thousands of dollars. If I open this one, we can see 917,000 views and $3,000, right? So make simple YouTube videos that you don't even have to create yourself or you don't even have to show your face in, and you post them onto YouTube. So as I said, it can be football, it can be sports, it can be productivity, it doesn't matter. You just go on YouTube and I will show you how you can do that. You do research and you see what are the videos that are popping off, what are the videos, what are the channels that right now are getting the most views and are making money, right? So you see, and the cool part about this is that they cannot hide it. If there's a YouTube channel, you can find it, you can see how much views they are getting, and you can understand that if they are getting lots of views, they are making lots of money. So that's the first step, right? And what I've done 3 years ago is I started doing research because I've seen that you can make money on YouTube, but I didn't know what to create post content about. So I've done research and I found lots of niches that I will give access to you in this video, over 1,000 plus niches, and I found that, and I've basically researched and found out ideas and channel ideas that I can start without showing myself, and I can post and make money. So that's the first step, right? So no matter you post videos about football, you post content about productivity, you post content about cooking, about sports, it doesn't matter, right? You just do research, see what's working, and then you can post content. Now you can ask, okay, Harold, but how do you make these videos? How posting these simple videos about you this apartment and made you all this money, right? And the process is very simple. Once you found the ideas and once you did the research and you see what's working, you have understanding on what other people are doing it, so you can start copying them and make money as well. You need to understand how you're going to post the content, right? So that's the second step, because you can do research all day, but if you don't post the content, then it's not going to work. So that's the second step. And for content, there are 2 ways. Number 1 way is you start by having a faceless channel or faceless brand, right? So it's faceless. So you don't show your face in your videos. So you can do it very simply by either outsourcing your content to the team of freelancers. That's how I've been doing it for this channel. So I go and I pay $50, $70, $80 for one video for a team of freelancers. They make the videos for me. These are professionals that know how to make videos, right? And if the video works well and if you have the right strategies, you make 20, 30 times more money from one video, right? So as you can see here. So that's one strategy. So you outsource the work, which means you delegate it. You pay other people, other freelancers to do it for you, right? And the second way, if you want to do it with the faceless method, is very, very simple. What you do, you use AI and you learn how to make the videos yourself, right? So if you don't have the money to outsource, or you don't want to do that and you don't want to show your face, then what you do, you just use AI and you just learn how you can do it yourself, right? In places with ChatGPT, with free software that edit the videos. That's so simple with AI generating images, content, footage. It's so simple to do research, to see what works on YouTube. What are the videos that get the most views? You go and just figure out how to create it in just literally 1 hour and post these videos and make money. That's how I've made my first $128,000 with my very first YouTube channel, because I've learned how to make the videos myself, which took me a couple of days, right? And I've been able to do that. And the second way that you can make money, and I will show you like the exact strategy on how you are going to get started with this, but the second way that really works is that you start a personal brand, right? So it is personal brand. That is exactly what I'm doing right now. So you can think, okay, you are not getting as many views, or you don't have as many subscribers, which is correct. I have 2.4 thousand subscribers, but I'm making thousands and thousands of dollars per month from these videos. Because for a personal brand, you need to get less views, because you can also sell a product, consulting, coaching, partnerships, etc., right? Investment opportunities. So although I'm getting like few thousand views, 300 views on each video, I've been able to make thousands and thousands of dollars per month, sometimes per day, for doing this. And I can show you all the proofs. If I go to my payment processor, let's say from May 1st to May 4th, right? This month, in the first 4 days, I made $18,000 of profit, right? So that's how much money you can actually make, which is really crazy. So it's more than $4,000 or $5,000 a day that I've made for my personal brands. I've also been posting content on my Twitter, which has already 4.5 thousand subscribers. So these simple YouTube videos that I'm posting here, I'm also posting on my Twitter, and I'm growing it a lot, right? And also I've been able to post them on Instagram as well, and I've been able to grow from scratch, over 105,000 followers. And if you can scroll, you can see that I've started basically without knowing English, with nothing. I've documented the whole thing, and I already grow 105,000 followers on Instagram. And all of these traffic sources also help me make over $400,000. I think it's $410,000. Let me quickly show it to you. So yeah, you can see the exact numbers. So it's basically $427,633 in a little bit more than a year. So you can do the math on how much it is per day. Basically, it's more than $1,500 a day in average, right? 1,000, 1.5K a day that I've been making. So that's the second strategy that you can do. And all you do is you post personal brand videos, right, which are also very simple to make, exactly as I am doing, right? This video is not scripted. I'm just recording on my iPhone, and I'm trying to explain what I'm doing to make money. So for some of you, hopefully it can be at least somehow valuable, right? And if it's valuable, if it helps you, if it shows you how you can do it, if it inspires you, if it gives you strategies, then what is going to happen is you're going to get value, right? And when people get value, what happens is they want to learn more from you, right? So they join your free community. So 1,000 plus people went and joined my free community. I can show you too. If I go to community section, you can see that we already grew 1.2K members here, right? Why? Because I have lots of courses inside that I teach people for free so they can learn, right? So basically, from personal brand, from making simple videos exactly like this that you're watching, I send people to free community, right? And people get value from that. And then the next step is that people that watch your free stuff or join your free community, what they do, they just either message you, right? So they DM you on Instagram, they contact you with your YouTube email, or they send you a message on Facebook or whatever it is. They just DM you, they contact you, or they directly book a call, right? So if you notice, under this video in the description, there is a link to book a call with me, right? So people click that link, and there's a simple application, simple software that I use that you can start for free, which is called Calendly, right? So I use Calendly software, and people book a call with me, right? And on that call, people that already got value from my personal brand, simple YouTube videos like this that I'm just posting on YouTube, they book a call with me and they ask for help, right? So either they DM me, let's say on Instagram or on email or on any other ways, right? Or they just book a call with me. And what happens is they ask for help, right? So because they book a call, because they want help, and because I already helped them with my free content, they want me to help them to scale their business, grow their YouTube channel, start a faceless YouTube channel with the first method, or a personal brand with the second method, and grow their business and make more money, right? So what they want help. And how do you make money? You make money by helping people, right? And by solving problems. So if you right now are hungry and you go to a restaurant, they give you food, right? You eat, you are not hungry anymore, and that's why they get paid, because they solve the problem of you being hungry, right? You're phone. It solves your problem of communicating, of recording videos, of watching entertainment, education. That's why you buy a phone, because it solves your problems. It helps you, right? So because I already was able to help, people want more help, right? And then what happens is that people pay me for that, right? And that's how I can make money with my personal brand as well. So when someone wants help, when someone wants coaching, free one-on-one calls with me, they want to get one-on-one chat support with me, so I can answer their questions, hold their hand, give them context, give them access, right? Make sure that they are not making mistakes, mentor them. These people pay me money, and that's how I can make money, right? Sometimes people pay me tens of thousands of dollars for one-on-one mentorship, and sometimes it can be just few $100 for a course or this, that basically will solve their problem. But we are not here so that I tell you about my course. As I said, I'm not going to sell you anything in this video. All of this is going to be for free, and all of the things I promised, I'm going to give you access for free. But I try to explain how this all works, right? But if we look at the big overview of the process, all I've done to buy this apartment, to get millions of followers online, to get millions of subscribers, to make over $500,000 online at the age of 21, when just a few years ago I was making $4 online, all I've done is I've learned how to post simple YouTube videos, right? And how to post videos that get views. So I started by faceless videos, by just using AI, leveraging that, editing and posting football videos, posting simple animations, posting videos about cooking, sports, just faceless YouTube channels. That there are millions of channels like that on YouTube that you have probably watched already. And I made my first 128K that way. And then I've also started outsourcing the content. So I literally pay other people to make the videos for me. And that's how I've scaled other channels as well, right? And at the same time, I post personal brand content, right? And give value to people on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and people that want help, right? That I've already helped. They want more help. They reach out to me. They book a call, and I basically on that call see if I can help them. I see if they have a problem that I can contribute to, that I can solve that for them, right? And I can help them to get to the next level, make more money, etc., etc. If yes, then of course they pay me for that. I make money. They get results. They are happy. So that is exactly how it works. All the people that are trying to overcomplicate it and tell you all the strategies, oh, you need to do funnels, you need to do this, it is not true. All you need to do is to post content, right? Do research, see what content is working, right? Post content, and what you are going to do is you're going to get attention, and once you have attention equals money. You can sell them your services, coaching, courses, digital products, physical products, merchandise, YouTube ads, whatever it is. That's how you make money, right? So this is exactly how I've done it, by just posting simple YouTube videos, but first doing research. So I go to YouTube, I see what are the videos that get views, I figure out how can I make it myself, I make it myself, I keep doing it until I get results, I make money. That is exactly, guys, how I made all this money, right? And if you don't believe me, if you go to a website called harut.me, it is completely free. You can check out our client testimonials as well, right? Lots of people that I've also helped for free. And you can also join my free community, where I have courses that I teach you how to do research, how to start making the videos yourself, how to outsource the content and start a faceless channel, or how to leverage your personal brand and post simple videos like this that don't get much views, but you make lots of money from that, right? So you can check out our free community. The link will be in the description, or you can also check out our client testimonials. And I'm showing you this to prove that all of these people, this is like 7 minutes worth of testimonials of people just on video, verified, giving you their opinion and feedback on how YouTube help to change their life as well, right? And as I said, I'm not going to tell you anything here. I just want to show you that all of these results are from beginners, which is completely ridiculous. And all they have done is they figured out how they do the research, how they find viral video ideas, how do they make that content, and how do they post these simple YouTube videos. You don't have to have a product, you don't have to show your face, you don't have to do all of this stuff. No, you just need to post content, know the right strategies, and I promise that you will grow. So that is exactly how I've bought this apartment. I literally just posted videos. And the people that tell you that it is more complicated, that there's some secret, they're just trying to sell something, right? So it is not true. So if it was valuable, check out my free community in the description, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.